Welcome to Fast Accounts. How to make a payment against a customer credit note. In this video, we will guide you through the process of refunding a customer against a credit note. You have two options available for refunding a customer against a credit note: Refund through Invoices tab, Refund through Receipts tab. Let's discuss first how to refund through Invoices tab. Log in and access the Sales module, then click on Invoices. To refund a specific credit note, click on the drop-down and select Make Payment. Customer details will be auto-filled. Select the bank account for the refund. Input details such as mode, reference number, and date. Type the refund amount in the Amount column. It will be linked with the credit note in ascending order. If you wish to pay a different credit note, zero the auto-allocated amounts and enter the amount in the Payment column of that specific credit note. If you need to deduct withholding tax, select the withholding tax rate and enter any applicable discount. Once all entries are completed and you are ready to proceed, select Save and Close. Now, let's discuss how to refund through Receipts tab. Go to the Receipts tab under Sales, view a complete list of receipts and refunds already processed. To make a new refund, click on Add New and select Payment. You will be prompted to the receipt screen. From the drop-down, select the customer for whom you wish to make a payment. Fill in the relevant details as discussed earlier. Once all entries are completed and you are ready to proceed, select Save and Close. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful.